Ready to unlock a world of Xbox games and services using your American Express gift card? Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Microsoft website and sign into the Microsoft account you use for Xbox. Once you're logged in, look for payment options. It's usually found under your info or a similar account settings area. Click on that. Now click on Add a Payment Method. You'll see options for adding credit cards or debit cards since your American Express gift card functions like a prepaid card. Select that option. Carefully enter the American Express gift card number, expiration date, and the CVV code, which is usually a 3-digit number found on the back of the card. Make sure you type everything correctly. Next, you'll need to enter a billing address. This address must match the one associated with the gift card if you're unsure. Most gift cards come with instructions on how to register them online with your address. Follow those steps first, then enter that registered address here. Once the gift card is added as a payment method, you're ready to shop. Browse the Xbox store for games, subscriptions like Xbox Game Pass, or even in-game content. During checkout, select your newly added American Express gift card as your payment method. If the purchase amount exceeds the gift card balance, you'll need to add another payment method to cover the difference. And that's it. You're now all set to enjoy your Xbox games and services powered by your American Express gift card. Happy gaming!